Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor 200 Smart, and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So let's start with opening the browser. In my case it will be Google Chrome, but no worries, and this operation is pretty similar in all of the browsers which are commonly used, so I'm pretty sure that you will be able to figure out how to do it on your own browser. So now let's tap on this three dots icon in the right upper corner, and here we can either tap delete browsing data, or if you do not have one, enter the history. So I'll explain both options. Let's start with the history. Let's tap on it, and here we've got the list of all previously visited websites. So if you'd like to remove only visited websites, the list, simply you can do it manually just by tapping on this X button right next to it, which is quite a good option if you want to remove like one or two websites. If you'd like to remove some advanced browsing history, just tap on delete browsing data, and here we've got basic options. So the browsing history, for example, tabs, saved passwords, autofill from data, and site settings. Those options are advanced. So if you want to remove something, make sure that it is marked. I will remove everything. We can also change the time range from last hour to, for example, all time, and then tap on delete data. So this is how it works using the first option, and the second one is to tap on the three dots icon again and tap on delete browsing data. So here we've got automatically those basic options like visited websites, tab, cookies, cache, and other site data. Again, we can change the time range here and then tap on delete data. If you'd like to remove some advanced browsing history, tap on more options, and here we've got those options from the previous way of removing the data. So again, mark everything, change the time range if you want to, of course, and then tap on delete data. And we just got back. We usually go back to the home page, which means that we just successfully removed the history. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.